Today we're gonna bring in door stoppers, and if you guys can see this, these are all rubber made, easy to install. You won't hear anything if it bumps into it because it has that extra cushion. So we're gonna open it up, see how thick they are and how well they work. So let's go ahead and open one up. Get the drawer going, and look at these. They're all beautiful silicone. Look how thick they are. We're gonna open one of them up. They're all set up into form, and if you guys can notice, there's 8 of them, and they're super thick. Now we're going to remove the actual covering, silicone one, and they're all silicone drops. If you guys can see, these go perfect anywhere, behind a door or anywhere you're stomping, you're hitting, you're damaging something. This is a perfect way to actually set one of these up. So beautifully done, and you get 8 of them. I've seen these also used in other places too, besides doors. I mean, these are dropping or having problems that they're hitting or banging. This is another way you could actually stop them from it. So I've seen them in bathrooms, in shower heads and stuff like that. So great way to set it up, and then they're very discreet because they're see-through. So pretty awesome that you get 8 of them. I'm gonna put one to the test. So if you guys notice, we have this one right here, and the problem is that this one makes a lot of noise. So we're gonna put a rubber one, and we're gonna put that one to see through clear. And later on we can remove this if we want, but right now we're gonna do that. And look at this. It's quiet. It won't make any noise. It won't affect it. Pretty clear. You can always remove them too. Very simple to remove them. If it gets stuck too much, you could use a heat gun or your hair dryer to remove them too.